We're here to tell you about our number 11 blade. This is our classic bestseller blade, an essential for every kind of craftsman. It's a double honed edge and fits into all our 4-jaw chuck knives, light duty knives. So it fits into this K18 knife, K71, K1, our ergonomic K26, and it also fits into our new K80 retractable knife. The K80 does come with a stainless steel number 11 blade, but it is interchangeable with the regular carbon steel number 11s as well. It is also available in a variety of quantities. You can buy it in the smallest quantity is a tubed package with 5 blades. Then it's also available in a dispenser with 15 blades. So you take your fresh blade out of here and put your used blade in here. It's also available in a bulk pack of 100 and up to 500 blades. Our number 11 is also available in 2 different coatings. We have the TIN and the ZRN. These are built for enhanced durability and long-lastingness and their ability to glide through stickier or more abrasive materials. So if you're working with materials like that, you might find that these make your cutting a little bit easier and make your blades last longer. They are compatible with all the same knives that the regular number 11 is compatible with.